happy to be here with Danny and Nick from Prenetics. I think that this is a very, very good initiative on behalf of the government, the Hong Kong government, because we know the coronavirus, it transports very, very quickly, and one person can infect 4 people. Prenetics has done a very, very good job. I'm very proud of them. Everyone in Hong Kong will eventually be able to be tested, and that's the only way we can get the numbers down.
We actually have about 12 vans all of Hong Kong, basically distributing the kits. So for example, this restaurant, we have 4 employees. We'll distribute the kits. Tomorrow, our team will also come back and collect the kits. We started this program last Saturday. Again, we had a few days of ramping up period, but thus far we have already passed out approximately 20,000 test kits. Overall wise, it has been growing really well, and great receptiveness and feedback from restaurant, the staff, and also from customers.
Every restaurant in Hong Kong should protect their staff, and then they will protect the customer. It's something that's very, very, very important. So make sure all of your staff do it, and let's help Hong Kong to get the numbers down.